InoKraft's 59-inch expandable pole pool cleaner is lightweight, it's rechargeable, and it is like your own personal pool broom. It is great for above ground and in-ground pools, and it recharges very quickly, and you can use it to get those hard to reach spots. If you have an automatic pool cleaner robot, you still need this because there's spots that just can't reach. And if you don't have an automatic pool cleaner, you really need this because cleaning with your net is so $19.95. Look and see how great this pool cleaner works. Watch till the end to see the full unboxing. We'll show you everything that comes with it. Very easy, one simple thing, on and off, and you recharge it right there. We're gonna turn it on, but it's important you submerge it into the water about 14 inches before you do that. And look and see how easy it is to vacuum up. Now, this great product was provided for me, for my honest opinion, and I love how it works. It's so easy, it's lightweight, and it is so much easier than using a net for all those hard to reach spots. Look how it cleans this tanning ledge. It vacuums it up just like a regular handheld vacuum cleaner. You can slide it forward, horizontally, vertically, and sideways. And when you're done, it folds within itself and the handle gets really small. I highly recommend this great product from InoKraft. Great, easy way to empty it right here, and you just simply keep on moving. Spend less time on your pool and more time in your pool. I highly recommend it. Here it is in the box. Everything is very well packed and securely protected for shipping. You can see it has a great instruction guide and a QR code, and there's not too much to do. You just have a few little pieces to put together. You have an extra net, and there's great instructions on the box as well. So you simply pull off the protective packaging and slip the pole in and the head of the vacuum onto the base of the motor, and that is all that you need to do. Just like that, it's together and you're ready to go. You charge it for about an hour and a half to 2 hours the very first time you use it, and then it charges in a few minutes in the secondary times. It's super easy to put together, and I highly recommend this great product.